Okay guys, today we have what should be a fairly simple project. We'll see how complicated I can make it. Got this little stainless cover here. It had some knobs. Got this little stainless cover here. The hinges that they're using are not stainless, and the old ones have rusted away. Got some new ones, same exact thing, plated mild steel hinges that I'm just going to weld back on here. It'll last them a few more years. That's their materials, not mine. So I just gotta cut the old ones off, grind it up, and weld them back on. I'm gonna attempt to do it TIG. But we'll see. I may end up MIGging them. First I gotta grind some of the plating off in the areas. Well, first I gotta get the old hinges off, mark where they are, grind everything smooth. Then the new hinges will go on exactly where the old ones were, and go from there. Alright, it decided it wanted to start raining on the camera, so I had to move you guys back inside. And myself just a little bit. Not the prettiest looking weld. As usual, I'm not a welder. I'm definitely not a TIG welder. But I'm getting the job done. I'm using stainless rod and my big cup, so they're not too bad. And my tungsten's contaminated again. Well, it's typically ugly for me, but it'll work. Cover's bent. I wonder if I can straighten it out. I'm using my lights and the heat gun to try and warm the piece up because it's really not warm enough to paint out here, but I wanted to get something on there to maybe slow the rusting process so it lasts a little bit longer than last time. So I just put some clear coat on it. Okay guys, that's the finished product. The welds aren't pretty, but this plate again is stainless. The hinges were not, they rusted out really fast. These hinges that they supplied me with are also not, they're just plated. I did weld it with TIG with stainless rods so the welds won't rust out. And then after I was done, I put a good coat of clear coat over the whole hinge area and the weld area just to try and make it last a little bit longer for them. But either way, they'll be doing it again in a few years because it's a pretty corrosive environment and these aren't stainless hinges. So thanks for watching.